In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate order invoices and packing slips in Woocommerce. If you're running an online store using Woocommerce, you probably know how important it is to efficiently manage order documentation. Having neat and professional invoices and packing slips can significantly enhance your customer service experience and streamline your order fulfillment process. So, let's dive right into setting this up in just a few easy steps. First things first. Head over to WordPress.com. This is where you manage your website and integrate crucial plugins like Woocommerce. Once you're at the main page, you'll want to locate and click the Login button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, and it's your gateway to accessing the inner workings of your site. Once you're logged in, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. For anyone unfamiliar, the dashboard is essentially the control hub for your website, where you can make changes, add features, and customize to your heart's desire. Next, focus your attention on the Plugins section. Plugins are tools that allow you to add new features and functionalities to your WordPress site without needing to poke around in the code. Click on this section to see your current plugins and the option to add new ones. What we need now is to add a specific plugin to handle our invoicing and packing slips. To do this, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the Plugins Marketplace where you can find a plethora of options to enhance your site. Type in WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips in the search bar. This plugin is quite popular and highly rated for generating the documents we need effortlessly. Once you find WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips in the search results, click on it. This will provide you with more details about what it offers and how it can benefit your store. The crucial step here is to click Install and Activate. Installation will download the plugin into your WordPress site, and activation will turn it on, allowing you to start using it immediately. There you have it. In just a few minutes, you've set up your WooCommerce store to automatically generate order invoices and packing slips, which will simplify your transaction processes and improve the overall efficiency of your store management. Remember, having these documents ready and organized not only enhances your operations, but also creates a professional impression with your customers. Thanks for following along today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips on streamlining your WooCommerce experience.